Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Wix website in 2023. Trustpilot is a popular online review platform that allows you to collect and showcase customers' reviews on your website. Adding Trustpilot reviews to your Wix website is a great way to build trust with your visitors and increase online reputation. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So now what we need to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use Opera, you can use Brave like me, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So whatever browser you have or you want to use, go ahead and use it. Once you do that, of course, you can simply go to your URL section and simply type wix.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or the main screen of Wix website. And of course, here, if you have an account, you can simply click on the login option and that will take you to this page. Of course, here, you can simply enter your email and check this remember me option if you don't want to keep logging in into your account every time you get into the site or into the website. Of course, if you forgot your email, you can simply click here so you can get it back or remember it. Of course, make sure to read this term of use and privacy policy so you don't get in any future troubles. As you can see, you can read them very carefully because it's very important so you don't have any problems in the future with Wix company. Of course, this site is protected by reCAPTCHA Enterprise, Google privacy and terms of use apply, so make sure to read them. And of course, you can even log in into your account with Google, Facebook, or even Apple, or with your SSO. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on the sign up option. And of course, from here, you can create your account by entering your email, then retyping your email, creating a password, and type in your password again, then clicking on sign up. Of course, again, you can create your account with a Google account or even Facebook account. And by signing up, you agree to our term of use and the knowledge you've read our privacy policy. It's the same as I showed you before. So for me, let me just fill this information real quick right here. Let's say an example that's going to be my email. I'm just going to retype it like this. The password, let's say it's going to be something like this. And let's just re-enter it. And here we are. As I said, you can or you don't have to fill all of those. If you want, you can simply click add continue with Google if you have your Google account already connected and choose the email or the Gmail that you want to connect with. For me, I choose the same email that I choose here. So now let me just save this. So next time I want to log in or something, I'll not have to fill those manually. And here I'll have to answer a quick survey. So let's set up with the right tools. First, who are you creating a website for? Of course, you can answer those questions or you can simply click on skip. So do whatever suits you. For me, let's say as an example for me or my business or friend. So click on continue. And here, what kind of websites are you creating? Let's say as an example, online store. Click on next. Should not take a lot of time, this survey. And of course, if you're getting bored, as I said, always click on skip. Enter your store name. Let's say, an example, it's going to be something like this. Click on next, because this survey will even help you understanding a lot, and even they will even help you and give you a recommendation based on your survey right here. So let's say, an example, it's going to be blog. I don't know, maybe music, video, and click on next. Why not? So here, as you can see, we can simply now go to our dashboard. And as you can see, they are preparing my dashboard right now. So I'll have to wait a couple of seconds and I'm going to be right there. So as you can see, now we are at the dashboard of my Wix account. And here, of course, I would like to finish this steps to set up my store as an example. I'll have to add a first my first product, and then set up a payment method. Then, of course, set up shipping and delivery address. Then design my website. Then connect to a custom domain. Then get found by customers on Google. So first now, of course, we'll have to add the Trustpilot into our Wix website. So just go to the left panel and click on apps. That will take you to the App Store of Wix website directly. Here on search apps, we will have to type Trustpilot and click on it right here. So as you can see, we will have this option right here, Trustpilot reviews, collects verified reviews, consumers trust. And they have a free plan available. 91% review it, and its rating it's 4.2. So let's just click on it. And as you can see from here, they are telling me to install Trustpilot reviews. First, place Wix stores on your site. For me, I still don't have any store. As I showed you before, I still didn't. So for you, you'll have to add some store, then come back to do it. After placing Wix stores on your editor, save your site, then proceed to install Trustpilot reviews. So of course, this Trustpilot will collect verified reviews consumers trust. And of course, if you want to add it, simply click on this add site and it will install into your site. For me, as you can see, I cannot because I don't have a store right now. So for you, of course, the Trustpilot reviews overview will come with automatically trigger the service review invitation to customers and grow on Google with verified reviews that counts towards Google sales rating. Of course, it will also build a trust brand with reviews content from real customers, and authentic customers content helps drive your SEO ranking and increase the site's traffic. Of course, this app is available worldwide, so you can use it from wherever you are. And the app languages that is provided by the app, it's Danish, Dutch, English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Swedish. So if you want any other app, make sure to go and search for other options. The site requirement is Wix stores, Wix booking, and Wix events and tickets. Features interact with visitors. Of course, you can read even more features if you want from here. Once you finish and you think that app is good for you as it tries Trustpilot reviews, as we said, click on add to site, but make sure to have this site's requirement. Then, once you do that, of course, you will have to customize the Trustpilot widget. Once you added the Trustpilot app to your page, it's time to customize the widget to fit your website design. Click on app or on the app on the settings, and you can choose the type of widgets you want to display and customize the color and adjust the layout. And of course, after customizing the Trustpilot widget, it's time to embed it into your Wix website. You'll have to click on embed code. You'll have everything. Once you add the site, you'll have everything like very simple ahead of you, so you'll not get lost or anything. And of course, then you'll have to go and try it as an example from an outside or another website. Sorry, I mean browser. And of course, you will be good to go. So that's it for this video on how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Wix website in 2023. Displaying Trustpilot reviews on your Wix website, of course, is a great way to build trust with your visitors and increase your online reputation. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more website building tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.